Hi everyone, let me show you how I've done so far for this year. Last year I made just a little under 68. This year, if you look there, I made just a little over 42 in 6 months. So on track to be about 85,000 for this year. So it's working, it's successful, and I owe it all to Mark Wills and LSS system. My name is Billy, and everybody knows me on LSS as your favorite Filipino Bay Area notary. So just wanted to share my story with you, and you know, how did I get into LSS? Actually, it was a year before COVID. I was thinking that because I was a restaurant general manager for a major sit-down restaurant chain, and my wife was and still is working for a major airline, that our conflicting schedules, there's got to be something we can do about it. And I knew for a fact that I couldn't do anything about it by being employed by someone. Well, COVID happened, and I told my wife, I think this is the time for me not to go back to work anymore. I think I'm gonna go look for a career, and I want to be my own boss. She's like, what do you want to do? And I told her, I said, well, I have many options right now. Fast forward from March 20 to a little over a year later, April of 2021, I saw one of Mark's videos again with all this energy, and man, I was like, this guy is always pumped up. I want to be like that guy. And I saw his system, and I was like, hey, if this guy can do it and these other people can do it and they're having a great time making money, let me try it. And you know what? I took the plunge, bought the course, got all my credentials and licenses. I started doing this thing on September 1st of 2021. I'll be honest with you, my first month, I had one signing. I made $150, and my wife's like, babe, are we gonna be okay? And I told her, look, it's my first month, give me a break. And the month number 2 is gonna be better. And guess what? It was. I made almost $5,000 my second month. That's right, $5,000. So, and it's been going up ever since. And thank you, Mark Wills, for that. I really appreciate it. It's changed my life for the better, because now whenever my wife says, hey, let's go on vacation, there's a trip to New York and the plane is 50% full. She goes, we'll get first class. You know what? I don't have to ask any boss, because I'm my own boss now, that I can take these trips. And last year, I took 7 trips. This year, I've taken 3 trips so far, going on 4 trips this year. It's amazing. If you ask me, you know, I'm on the fence, I'm not sure if I should do this, take the plunge. Don't be thinking the what if later down the road. I took the plunge, and I'm successful, and I'm happy for it. My wife's happy for it, and trust me, you will be happy for it.